Hello everyone! I haven't been on the channel for a long time. I will try to fix it. I just recorded a new video for you on how you can quickly create a base for a logo in the form of a wavy shape. Let's start. I'm creating a new document in Photoshop with a size of 4000 by 4000 pixels, since the most convenient way to create a round logo is to work with a document with equal resolution of height to width. Select the Polygon tool. I left-click on the screen and I have the Create Polygon menu. I set the height and width to 2000 pixels. The number of sides is set by default to 20. You can set more or less. This will affect the number of bulges on your figure. I left the smooth corners checkmark as it is. Also left untouched a checkmark on the star. Indent size 10%. I also didn't touch checkmark smooth indents. It was installed by default. If you need to enlarge or reduce your future logo, you need to press the key combination Ctrl-T and press the combination from the Shift plus Alt key and drag the figure while holding down the left mouse button. The shortcut key Ctrl plus Z will cancel your action. If you need to cancel your action a couple of times, the combination Ctrl plus Alt plus Z helps you with that. You can also add a stroke to the shape and change the color of the shape. The upper submenu is responsible for this, where there will be inscription shape, fill, stroke. Go to the stroke and select a color, for example burgundy, and also set the stroke size to 20 pixels. After that, let's go to the fill submenu and try to play around with choosing a color. For example, I played around with purple hues and ended up choosing a pinkish orange hue as an example. Well, thanks a lot for watching this video. Be sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. See ya!